In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on a WordPress blog, the full 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly navigate through posting your latest content on WordPress. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress account. Once you've logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see the option labeled Posts. Go ahead and click on that, and then choose Add New. This is the beginning of getting your fresh content out into the world. Now that you're on a new post screen, one of the first things you'll want to do is type your post title at the top. It's important to craft a title that's both catchy and informative, providing a quick insight into what your blog post is all about. Once your title is set, you can move on to the body of your post. In the large text box, go ahead and start writing your content. This is where you can pour all your ideas, stories, insights, or whatever it is you wish to share with your audience. WordPress makes it easy to format your text, add headers, or even include bullet points if you need to present information in list form. Now, to add some visual interest to your post, you might want to include an image. To do this, locate the plus symbol, usually found within your editor, click on it, and you'll see a range of content blocks you can add. Select the image block. Here you can upload a picture from your computer or select one from your media library if you've already uploaded some previously. Additionally, apart from the images featured within your post, it's a good idea to set a featured image. This acts as the thumbnail for your blog post when viewed on your main blog page or shared on social networks. On the right-hand side, find the option to set a featured image and upload or select the image you'd like to use. Before you publish, consider categorizing your post. Categories are optional, but they can help organize your content and make it easier for users to find related posts on your blog. Pick a category that best fits the topic you're writing about. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your post, it's time to publish your work. You can do this by clicking the Publish button found in the top right corner. Once you click Publish, a confirmation dialog will appear. Simply click Publish again to complete the process. And there you go! You've just successfully posted on your WordPress blog. Keep experimenting with different styles, formats, and media to keep your content engaging and fresh. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!